Assalamu alaikum. We create website using HTML. It is easy to learn and very powerful. You will understand all the basics in just few minutes. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext is the method by which we move around on the web. Hyperlinks bring us to the next page. The fact that it is hyper just means it is not linear. That is, you can go to any place on the internet whenever you want by clicking on links. Markup is what HTML tags do to the text inside them. They mark it as a certain type of text. HTML is a language as it has code words and syntax like any other language. Tags. The tags are what separate normal text from HTML code. You might know them as the words between the angle brackets. Let's start. Open Visual Studio Code and here is the interface. Here you can see that we have this extensions. Click on extensions. Here you can search many extensions for HTML like this HTML snippet, and here you can see that this menu contains lot of different options. These are extensions that I have installed. You can click on any extension and get its information. So let's open a folder. You can create folder anywhere. You can create anywhere. And I am just creating this folder here with the name HTML. So my folder name is HTML. Create a new file and I will name this index.html. Here is our file. Please note that the extension of all of our files will be HTML. We will start with the tag HTML. We write all of our HTML code under these HTML, and here will be our head section and the body section. The head element can include a title for the document, scripts, styles, meta information, and more. The body element contains all the contents of an HTML document, such as text, hyperlinks, images, tables, lists, etc. And we will start body with the tag h1, meaning the heading. Learning HTML, and P for paragraph, and here I will type lorem and then press enter and it will generate random text. So these are the tags that we have. Right click index.html and click reveal in Explorer. Here is our file. Double click this and here is our HTML, the title, h1 and the paragraph tag. So these are the three tags which are appearing on the browser. Opening body and then closing body. opening H1 then closing, opening paragraph then closing paragraph, opening head, closing head, opening title, closing title. And if we include this doc type HTML, then this will tell the browser that this HTML is HTML5. Now the browser understands that the HTML it will receive is HTML5. Here we can use various heading tags from H1 to H6. Let's try H1 to H6. Let's check the result, and here it is. H1 to H6. Press Ctrl 0 and it will bring the page to 100%. So here is our complete HTML that we developed so far. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.